up the road right now. I'm going to pick up a chainsaw that my grandpa sold low web before I was born. That is brand new, still in the turkey bag. Never had fuel, oil, never been pulled to even try and crank over. It is effectively a brand new saw. And I am absolutely tickled right now.
It almost sounded like it fired on the other two, but no more choking.
Oh, I didn't hear it fire. You thought you heard it? All right. You're the one with the eagle ears. I can't hear shit.
Let's cheat on it just a little. We'll find out if it's got any spark.
The hell's the air filter on this thing?
Right here.
That's it? Choke or no choke?
Full now. Full, no choke. Full throttle.
Full throttle. Yeah. Oh!
Now,
Throttle's non-responsive.
Choke about one pull.
What?
Choke at one pull.
Leave it choked?
No. Just leave it idling. Okay. Yeah. One more pull now.
Yeah.
I probably can't pull it in the seat.
Okay. You want
These, I thought these had a throttle lock. I guess they didn't.
when I hit the gas, it wasn't doing anything.
Mm-hmm. Well, maybe it will.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Team?
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. It's not getting the fuel.
That was exciting. All right, she's on. Shoot her right there. Ooh,
Sorry
got
about
me.
that. That was probably cold.
Not too bad. Full throttle?
Yeah. We haven't got our stop switch.
All right. Full throttle?
Yeah. That's we've of course got no chance of that getting to here because it's not closed. So let's
Oh, maybe.
let's go into the carburetor itself. Okay.
Oh! Still not getting fuel. No, it's just burning you up. When you sprayed or when I put my finger in it.
Well, you opened the
Here,
throttle.
let me do this.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of a pill, but I figured it out. So unfortunately, I had to use an impact screwdriver to get the screws out for the starter. And I say unfortunately because on this cast, right there, I actually cracked it, probably from hitting it. The reason I'm doing this is trying to get the carburetor out. I need to do one of two things. I either need to get the carburetor bolt, there's one on each side on the cheeks, or get up about right here to take the handle assembly off, which is what I've been working on. Had to take the air filter out to get the top cover off, or to get it completely loose. Not sure if I really needed to do that or just right here and right here to get the starter off, but exposes this plate right here. So I'm gonna take these 2 screws off, pull that plate, and see what I can find. All right, so I got that plate off, and there's a gasket underneath. All right, this part of the flywheel, everything stays there. That gasket kind of sneaks up inside. I'm not sure if I had to bend this or what. Hopefully it goes back when I put the screw in it and the gasket. But right there is what we're going for. All right, so got the Poulan S72, brand new saw. When I first got it, had some of the video in there, firing it up with the starting fluid, and she came to life but wouldn't run. Thought it was a carburetor issue, took it all apart, looked at it. As clean as can be, the rubbers were great, no real fault of anything in the carburetor. And then just did a simple check on the fuel line and saw there was a bunch of junk up in there, to the point where it completely blocked the fuel line. So it was very apparent at that point that it wasn't a carburetor issue, it was a fuel starvation issue from the tank, the filter, fuel line. All of it was messed up. So cleaned it all out, replaced the lines. Was gonna prime it with starter fluid, but I want to see how she does natural, just starting it with the choke. So I'm a drop start guy, obviously not with the 6-foot bar that I'm gonna have on it, but right now it's power head only. So here we go, choke's out. She's alive. I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video to review how many pulls that was, but that was not bad. Let's throw a bar on her. So here I am, got the Poulan S72, got a 6-foot Forester bar with the Oregon roller tip on it. Don't remember how many links of 404063 this is, but took the guys at the saw shop about an hour and a half to fit the chain to the bar, just because going from a 3/8 tip to a 404, the spec on the bars for the 303 is no good anymore for the guide links, or drive links, so they had to figure it out. It took them a while because you had to fit it up. The first hurdle is actually getting the bar in the chain mounted. Took 3 guys to do that, and then tensioning it so that it had enough tension without maxing it out. Long story short, where it's at right now, it's close to maxed out. What's probably going to happen is, if I do choose to run this saw, the chain's going to stretch. They stretch plus 6-foot bar, you know, at least times 2. It's 12 feet of chain. It's going to stretch. I might have to take a link out later. Time will tell, but it's most likely going to go that way. But it's got fuel in it. Had a little issue with the oiler. Basically just had to pull the plunger out, prime it, put a little bit of bar oil in there, and then that worked out good. I did do a test fire a minute ago. I wish I had the camera rolling. It was fired on the first pull. Choke out, fired right up. It was awesome. So just wanted to do another little fire on camera, run it for a minute, give it some more oil on the bar, just get it nice and wet, and Let me know what y'all think about it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Here we go. Anything big enough to test cut out here. It just rolls around. But that's it. It's a great saw, and truly grateful that I was able to buy this, and looking forward to running it and God knows what, but just having it around and being able to look at it as a part of American logging history, something I'm truly grateful for. Well, thank you all for tuning in, and be safe, have fun, and I'll see y'all next time.